Hey guys, I'm Amrita, and in today's video we are going to work on some new words. The first word is realm. Realm. The stress is on the first part, realm. It means a field or domain of activity or interest. For example, the realm of applied chemistry. The second word is annals. Annals. The stress is on the first part, annals. It's a noun and it means a record of events year by year. For example, the annals of the police courts. The third word is compound. Compound. We have got two stress patterns for this word, in one of which the second part is stressed. Compound. Compound. It means to make up or constitute. Obviously, it's a verb. For example, prisoners' lack of contact with outside compounds their problems. Let's jump to the next word. The fifth word is badger. Badger. Here it's a verb, and it means to repeatedly ask to do something. For example, Tom had finally badgered her into going. The sixth word is implore. Implore. The stress is on the letter P. Implore. It means to beg someone earnestly. For example, he implored her to change her mind. The seventh word is drudgery. Drudgery. The stress is on the first part, drudgery. It's a noun and it means dull work. For example, if you wash the dishes, you experience drudgery. Let's continue with the eighth word. It's perceive. Perceive. The stress is on the second syllable, perceive. It means to come to realize and understand. For example, his mouth fell open as he perceived the truth. The ninth word is laconic. Laconic. The stress is on the second syllable, laconic. It's an adjective and it means using very few words. For example, his laconic reply suggested a lack of interest in the topic. The last word is throng. Throng. It's a noun and it means a large packed crowd of people or animals. For example, he pushed his way through the throng. Don't forget to follow me and my team on Instagram.